Hello, hello. What's up, everybody? This is Jerry the Wanderer, taking off, getting ready to go. And hold on one second. Bam. All right, how you guys doing? I've been a while since I've done this. Well, I said it's been a while, but yeah. Um, I was gonna stream Saturday. I'll be straight up honest. I was gonna stream Saturday. But I kind of got distracted. With Baldur's Gate 3, and my mind's been preoccupied with the game Baldur's Gate 3 and all like this kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm still thinking about it. It's a good game though. It's a very good game, like crazy. Uh, I mean, I had the game since 2020, but since its release, it has been nothing but fun. It has nothing but fun. Oh man, if you haven't tried it out, go and try it out soon. But not yet. I am pretty much trying to make my own game here. So I think last time I left off here, I don't remember. I lost track of what I was doing. I think what I need to do now is to get each character their own unique skill. It needs to have their skills up and ready. For instance, these are actually still using their default. And real quick, I need to go back to my PC. I really need to figure out what's going on with the with the component here, because every time it resets itself and it doesn't set back to where it's supposed to be. So every time I did this, it goes back. It goes to here. It didn't do it before with the ARP map. With the other with the ARP blueprint, that's game mode, but it's doing it with player controller. It might be either a bug or something something I need to take a look at, or something I need to redirect or change, because I'm using a blueprint I'm using a blueprint that is a parent, that is a child of the component, but it's not doing its thing properly. But I'll do that. I want to do that later. Right now, I want to focus on just getting all the game elements in here, and I think I'm going to do that right now. So first off, the first thing we want to do. Go ahead and start combat. The first thing we want to do is get the attack. Right now, right here, you have this unit has. It shows that the unit has a lot of attacks, and when I click on them, the attacks don't show up. So we're gonna get that straight off. So one thing I want to make sure that the wherever units attacks they have, it shows up, and not show up everything. And we also want to be able to have the arrow show up above the unit, to indicate what direction they need to face, and then wherever they click, they end their turn. So that's gonna be that. And in future streams, I think we're gonna focus on getting a HUD UI set up, so we can get that out of the way. Oh, one more thing. I need to figure out how to set up my team, or my order. Before the project was the unit was able to set up a way that it'll be this unit's turn, that unit's turn, this unit's turn, that unit's turn. I'm going to try to get that set up for this one as well. So, all right, let me go ahead and end it right, and let me stop right there, and let me go ahead and get my UI. And go from there. Okay. Real quick, we have debug action. Oh, it's there for debugging. I think this is just so I have a bit more control of how it is functioning. Let's jump in here. It's more on attack and end turn, and these should be called in here. Okay. So when I click on attack, this gets called. And it will showcase the pattern. I think it probably did. I think it did it backwards. Because there's hover action is this show range pattern AOE. Maybe hold on a second. Oh, there is nothing should be else being shown here. I think this one's gonna be straight up simple. I don't quite remember. Just opening up the I just had our project open. Okay, and okay, not that straightforward. But it's but for right now it's gonna be straightforward nonetheless. So I want to do a super apparent and get controller. I'll just do this way. Yeah. I'm going to get a combat manager. And we want to get select tile. In fact, let me make this for me. There's only going to be one combat manager, so that's going to be, and there's going to be one select tile. And basically I need these so I can be able to cast a spell. Cast a skill. And that's, I think that's for action. I think we need to be able to execute action. It's just so we can execute the action here. Alright. Go ahead and cast skill. In my previous project, if y'all have known, it was actually cast spell instead of cast skill. I changed it to cast skill because I no longer want to use. I want to make the name obligatory. So instead of spell, I use skill. I say obligatory, but maybe what I really meant is like whenever I take this plugin, this is part of the plugin. Whenever I take this plugin to one plugin to one project to another, I am able to just indicate and show off show off, but I'm able to modulate what skills and what kind of skills and spells, if there be named skills and spells, would the game need. I also be straight balance. I think I might need to make another plugin for attributes, because the attribute itself can be its own plugin as well. I mean, like thinking about it right now and thinking about how thinking about it now and thinking about how I want to get it going. Sorry for a long silence. I just trying to think my answer. What was I thinking back in? I think what I was trying to say, if I want as this project go along, there's probably some stuff in the project that I want used in any of our projects. So making that plugin for that will be very beneficial as well. But for now, I just don't want to. But for now, I just want to actually just get through this. Let's see. That's the skill. Wait, why do we got skill in here? No, we need a controller. I'm gonna call this set select. Set select self. Wait a second. This is a widget, and we need a. I need a cast to CPW skill. Yeah, skill list. This should have the set select. Hello. Okay. Skill button cast shows the range. Okay. I'm feeling a little pawn here. I'm wondering what the heck's going on. I think that's gonna be into my debug. Content. Unit. Oh, unit still is. I have a. I need to probably go back and rename some of these things. Select a skill from index. There we go. Ah, oh, wait. Thank you. I think when this button is pressed, you want to unhighlight it, and have it somewhere else. The next one we want to get is the player action. I'm going to need a few of these things. So let me actually get player action in the beginning. All right. Make the local variable call loc player action. You know, in my previous project, when I created player action, it was actually I was just basically following a tutorial on how to make this, and the person is instead of putting into a component, he decided to put it into a as an actor and have that pulled out and let it be there. I decided for this one. I decided I wanted to put the player action. I want the player action be just to be out there. It connected to something that is going to be using it. This will be a single player game. Let's just put it on the player controller. Because the player controller is gonna be probably going to have a lot more use for it. Thinking about it now, I think I could probably get away by separating it from. I could probably get away from separating it by separating it to the player controller in this project. Now thinking about it, and that'll probably actually solve my issue of why it keeps disconnecting the component. Now that's like very annoying. So right now I'm telling that if this selected unit has cast a spell, I think cast spells will be true. Why I said that? Why I said it that way? Curious. Oh, also, I have the local skill animation. I think with this one, I had to set up somewhat differently because I want the skills to be cast. It was like this way. Here we go. So it had to reset TP because this is I think this one's for debugging, and it has to debug play animation because I think I wanted to play it. I want to test his animations on that by that time. I mean, I can have this existing and have it connected, but I don't think I need. But looking at it now, I don't really think I need to do that. I don't need to do that. Ooh. Excuse me. Excuse me. I just got really yawny all of a sudden. Okay, so I'm missing get combat list from game UI. That means I didn't have that in there, in here. I mean, I may have it in here, but I may have it commented out. Get skill from skill data. Remove widget. Get cam action. Where is it? Get skill list. Get combat list. Oh wait. It's actually different this time. No, it's combat command. And basically we're just getting combat command so we can have it call return to command list. Looking at this, I don't think I have that. No, it's called execute return to command menu. That's what it's called. Return to command menu. Here we go. Okay. We have on execute action. The end action we want to do. Calls parent to end action. I'm not sure everyone will have a parent to do that, but I'm putting it in there anyways. Aim on the clear state. Basically, you need to clear the skill range. I need to rename that to skill range because I tend to be lazy on naming on your naming or come on. Naming my stuff. I need to break that habit. Okay, so we're actually okay, so we're good here. Cover action. Cover action. I want to make sure. Yeah. No. Yeah. This is actually it. Okay. Okay. We have it set to new action. Let's go into our player controller and just take a look at the interface real quick. And I think what I'm looking for is something with UI, I think. Set new action. Set new action. That's what I'm looking for. New. Here we go. It's doing that. Okay. Okay, should be doing that. I don't have any objections. Or then when I click on a thing, it should show up a thing. Actually, no, wait. Yeah. I think that's all of it. No. I mean, I click on the test skill buff, debuff, ain't showing up. So it means whenever I press a button, it needs to execute that. It needs to execute whatever it has. That is to say, we need to go into our in here. Our unit skill thingamabob. And we need to go back to recall how everything works. So far, it gets the unit skill. I think the unit skill is it? It's not exposed. It's not exposed to spawn. It's, I think I left like that. Normally. So that should be fine. That should be fine. I think everything has to be done in the okay. It was instance-able. No. Sorry, I'm actually coming back here and just looking at my old project and see what am I missing here. I think there's a thing that is, I think, supposed to call the link unit to skill list. Is that being called here? Okay, so it's doing that, I think. Is it doing it? Let me make sure. Run it. Combat. Start combat. Yes, it's doing this. So he's using this. We go in here and it's supposed to get all the information. It should be unvalid. Wait. What about the Okay. Fun here, and then yeah, this is getting called. Okay, here we go. So it comes out none. No, it comes out with something. There's a unit here, and it's using the unit C2. Wait, combine? Uh-oh. This is supposed to bind. Event to on unit that change. Then, okay, we have that. We want to make sure this unit is valid. Like, oh my god. Oh. And it's the unit data. What we have in unit data as variable. We had a portrait. We have unit abilities, skills. Oh. Real quick, let me go back to my not abilities, but my asset unit. Let me go into test, and it should have a skill base animation, skill animation. It should hold information about the skills, it has. Available skills. Okay. All right then. That's so weird. Let me actually take a look at this. I think got this set up where we want it. So I don't think unit abilities is what we're looking for. Unit data. We are looking for base stat. And available skill. This is what we're looking for here. Of course, I think in the future, this is not what we want set up. The reason why I don't want to set up this way, because maybe there'll be some skills that the unit can't play based on based on their level. If I'm level 1 and I only skills I have is attack. I know I can do fireball in level 3 and a super awesome attack on level 5. I shouldn't have access to I should not have access to those spells or be able to see those spells or skills. My bad. At level 3 or level 5. I should be only seeing the melee skill on level 1. Not only that, I need to also get the level. Get owner level? Yeah, not this level. It should be coming from unit. Get unit job level. So I think I'm pretty much gonna end up needing to I'm gonna need a way to set this all up later on in the future. But for right now, I do want to get the skill list set up. Yeah, I was wondering why this one's local. And I think I know why. I think for a time I thought this was something I need to have or something to use. No, I need these, so guess I can see them. What else we need to do? Oh wait, that's probably why. Read only variables to reference skill. Okay. Is this because this is read only? Okay, didn't have an issue now. Because I had an issue because you have an issue. It has an issue for just issue sake. Okay, so all right, I see what's happening. We're just checking for each unit to see if we're able to actually cast those skills. And I think is this available on is this available? I think. Let me go to my unit blueprint real quick. Okay. And do I have okay, I have nothing. But this should be this one should be straightforward. I could probably easily code this, but I don't feel like coding right now. I really want to get the project myself. That means I just need to go and just have it created. And cast skill. Okay, now we are. Unit data. What the heck? I'm getting more confused. Sorry. Sorry for just looking at my side. I'm just realizing what's happening. I think I made one change to my thing. It just worked. But anyway, hi. Or not. Just go ahead and lurk. Anyways, let's see. We want to get. I don't think unit ability is what we're looking for as unit base stats. Break that. Get the available skills. We're checking if they contain. And basically, all I'm doing is reading from my code. Reading from my code. And I think from here we need to check a skill info. is data. Great. Okay, I'll be honest, I don't think I need to do that. I just need to do this. Oop. We're actually done. If does this unit contain this spell? And if that's true, awesome. If not, what the heck are the units doing? Easy cheating? Stop it. And we're going to check if actually that information is going to be in the unit itself. Matter of fact, the ability component. We're going to look because the ability component can get its TP. I think I just need to remember how the heck I did this before. Get attribute. All right, here's attribute value, and we're getting the tactical point. That's it. And we're comparing that with the spell data. We're breaking the cost. Okay, we're going to need to compare we have to explore this because this value is trying to compare if we have very equal to this value. That's basically it. I mean, I could also do that because we're just making sure this true, but this works as well. Maybe because I'm very needy on how everything should look like. Okay, this should be all of it. I probably have to come back to this later in the future, but this is actually doing fine. This is actually going to look, I'll be fine. Let's go back to our big cast unit. Here we go. Still our bad boy right here. And let's ask, and we're going to check if we're able to do this. Should be under our action list box. Okay, unit skill list box. child at array index. See cast to dpw underscore action skill button. We're going to here just to convert it to here because that's what all of them gonna be. They're gonna be skill buttons. They're not gonna be anything special else. They're not gonna be anything special. They're just gonna be skill to be called this, which is awesome. Can be selected. If not, it can't be selected. So we should be good here right now. Super yawn. I think that should be it. Compile, let's run it. There we go. Let's go ahead and start combat. Alright, we should be good here. Go ahead, attack. Look at this. Test skill. Melee. Healing aid. That's what they're supposed to have. Let me end turn a couple times. Let me get to him. And that's what he doesn't have. Okay. Let me go to Axel real quick. Oh yeah, that's right. I keep forgetting. The classes is what the units are going to have, and those classes are the ones that will fill those roles. I think I keep forgetting about that a lot. Job skill ability. Okay. Here we have everything. We got everything. But I want, whenever I click on thing, I want to be able to see it, be able to have something show off. On activate button, on activate button press. Let's make sure. button press is actually doing something here. Right? It's supposed to be doing something here. Uh-huh. Yeah, it's doing something. On selected button change. Still trying to figure this out. So far, we are able to get the unit skills in there. Just need to figure out. Just need to remember how I get the what happens when I click on the button. Like when I'm supposed to click on a button, it's supposed to show a not a grid, but a the rows that fills up those that fills up the needed spots. Like real quick though. That's not real quick. What's it gonna be like? I'll select the button change, and we're gonna do a big old search for this. Okay. Debug unit. Add remove unit. Okay. Is this? I think this thing's used as listening. That's for sure. I think it's supposed to be listening. I feel like this might be missing. It might be missing something here. Not here, not here, not here. Okay, what's going on here? What is going on? What is going on? Okay. Okay, this little thing is kind of stressing me out. Is that I have it, but I don't know where it's supposed to be showing. I mean, where it's supposed to be calling. I thought that I thought I have already hooked up already, but it's not actually hooked up. And now I'm kind of lost. And this is the part where I go out and just search. What the heck am I doing? Say, what the heck am I doing? It's been 2 hours. It's been an hour. I've even. Okay. Click on attack. It shows a list. I click on a button. And that button's supposed to call something. Okay. Well, if that's the case, have it call something. Attack. Nothing. That just means this is not hooked up properly yet. So it's like now to the point of me just going through all this and just like figuring out what the heck is going on. Of course, I'm used to saying what's going on multiple times. It's not what helped me out. So let me go ahead and stay quiet and let me actually find out from here. Okay. It's on the debug, it's on the combat setup. Tactile and unit low range pattern. This doesn't have anything to do with that. One thing in initiation. The one thing I'm not hating right now is like going back to your old code and just trying to remember where the calls supposed to go for supposed to throw, because I was under the assumption that the call is supposed to throw into the action CBT cast skill, and it's supposed to call like maybe the show skill range pattern. But doesn't. And I'm looking at my old our project, that one that uses that's similar to this, it doesn't have that as well. I'm also just staring at this like, okay, where is that where is it being called at? That spell action. Okay. That spell action. Wait. Okay, found it. I'm assuming it's supposed to be in here now. Let's look for something quick. On. Okay. I think I'm now on the right track now. I think I'm on the right track. It's just like trying to exactly remember how all of this works. That's a pain. That's a big old pain in the butt. Constantly. Okay, that's why. That's why this created. Okay. Okay. And do I need that public? I'll go leave it public. I'll leave it public right now. Okay. I think this will go into my PC. Close the side down and rebuild. Not only that, I did need to go into my I think I had to go in my HUD or my yeah, I think I need to go on my HUD and I need to tell it to find an event. That's what's missing. That is what's missing right now. I think for me, for today, I need to have to keep the stream short because I am busy. I have something to take care of at the moment. Don't have enough time to just do this and get at least just do this, and I should have enough time for the having the being able to click on the arrows. Hopefully after all this. Okay. Like, real quick, I just need to find. Okay. What widget we are looking for? Combat UI. Combat UI, we're also looking for the command list. And with command list, we are looking for There we want to find event to on select the button. Okay. Can I? No, I can't. I need to be able. I need this to be able to get all. I just don't know how. I think right here. And from there, actually, from there, let's create a function. Let's create a quick function. This function go. I'll call it execute. Bind to skill change. And for us, it just needs to be the textile HUD. Now I think I get the HUD. We can do the whole thing. And then we go to the skill list. Unit. The button needs, let's see. The button set to action skill. And I think this one's actually being used. I think this one's actually just being used by debug list. No, wait. I mean, if it's actually being used, something we'll be calling it. Let's have this return a user widget. And work from there. I think this should be fine because these two are different. Now if I go back, okay. Okay. Is something wrong? Let's print this out. Okay. That took me about a long last while. That's still action. And no. Still there. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, it took a while. Something has went wrong. Yeah, go ahead and get rid of that. Oh my god. That's another thing. Each time each time this happens, I have to do that again. Although I think I could probably get away by just I can get away by just adding it. Okay. It worked. Okay, cool. Okay. Cool. Just moving it somewhere else. Alright. It's able to do its thing. And if I press this, it should do his skill, but it's not doing his skill. That's another thing I gotta look into again. Because we clicked on it, but it hit the thing, but didn't do anything. And so far, no bugs, no issues, nothing. I think it's because of the animation. When it does his skill, it's supposed to do an animation. I know because I coded in it, and we coded in Combat Manager. Okay, here we go. Task skill. I need to remember. Okay. Finish on the animation that needed, and need the unit cast. Okay, finally, now it was just do this. Okay. Holy crap. we not have still animation? Looks like we don't. You know, for temporary uses, I'm gonna make a local. And hopefully, once all of this is done, I'll be able to once again to set or create new type of content based around game development, other than just this. Probably around, maybe a little bit around this, especially when it comes to making the game itself. Okay. Oh wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? I'm it. Jerk. Idiot. Back animation. Oh. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay, I think with the previous code, it was like there was supposed to be something in here to play the animation. I don't think that's in here, so I'm going to do myself a big favor and just set that one up. There, I think that should play the animation. Let me save this because I think I remember it now exactly. Each animation is supposed to play. Okay, this is all. This is supposed to be a rep notify, I think. TV animation playstyle. I don't think I have that created. I don't think I have it created in this project right now. Let me give it a second. see where my information about my animation stuff. I forgot to add it here. Yeah, we're going to blueprint. We'll call it. Am notified. Here we go. You didn't want to receive, you want to go into mesh component, hit owner. Spell effect animated. What the heck? Okay, spell effect animated. That's the most weird. Why did I name it that way? Yeah, forgive me. Just took a while. Okay. 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 Valid. Place the nation. Okay. Should be almost everything. There we go. Uh-huh. It turned, it did the thing, it didn't do the animation. No, it didn't. Not only it didn't do the animation, it didn't it didn't hide the grid, it didn't get rid of all that kind of stuff. Ugh. This is gonna take a while, but it's actually doing this thing. It should be playing the animation montage. Wonder why that's not the case here. The montage, and comes up here. The montage being played, then it's going to do this. Okay. Not playing it. I think this one's pretty simple. It's a simple. I think it's a simple bug. Okay, not a simple bug, but very simple. It just requires me to go to the unit's skeleton. No, it doesn't require me to go skeleton. It just definitely requires me to go find this animation. Oh wait, here it is. I believe this one right here. It has the default slot. And it does the locomotion. That's the right one, though. Okay, it stays simple, but my brain, when I try to do the simple things like let my brain go haywire for some reason. Shoot. Okay. Anyways, I think I'm getting a little brain fart, and I need to take care of something real quick. Actually, no, I need to take care of something. I'll be back this Wednesday. Doing a stream. Not sure if it could be a GameDev stream, like this one, or just the Geometry Tool stream. I think it's gonna be Geometry Tool stream. Because I'm trying to add some little more variation to the stream instead of like all straight GameDev. But if I get back to the GameDev, I will have this. I'll pretty much have this taken care of. So thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. Y'all kind of surprised the heck out of me. Well, a little bit. Even though y'all haven't commented, you just kind of surprised the heck out of me how many people just pop up. So, yeah. I'll talk to y'all later. All right. Bye-bye.